back to Smith's Customs. You got Jacob here. Alright, this is our special project I've been talking about. I've kind of been telling you guys about this. So, in the next couple of videos, I don't know how many it's going to be. It might be quite a few. We're going to work on resurrecting this old girl. This is a 1982 FLT Electric Glide Classic. This bike has been sitting since 2003, so we're going to see if we can resurrect this thing and get it to breathe fire again. This bike has not been run in 23 years since the last time this bike was started. This bike has a little bit of sentimental value to me. This belonged to a very good friend of mine. I haven't been able to touch base with him. I've tried looking for him. I've tried getting a hold of him in the last probably, I don't know, I'll say 15 years since the last time I talked to him. So I don't know where he is or how he's doing. I've tried finding him. I've tried reaching out. The only thing I heard at one point in time from another friend of mine is that he was possibly locked up in a loony bin somewhere. Which it wouldn't surprise me because I hung out with a little bit of a wilder crowd back in the day. My dad purchased this from him in 2007 after my motorcycle accident, after my major accident there. And, well, he gifted it to me a couple years ago, and I have not got it running yet. This year, or this week, I'm putting a deadline on myself. We're going to get this bike running in 2 days. We're going to get this motor built, put back together, and running in 2 days. I'm not going to say the bike's going to be riding, but we're going to get the motor to start and run. Which that'll be a task all in itself. That'll be the first time in 23 years this bike has started. It's sitting in the same condition it was in 2003. It's just a little dustier and a little dirtier. So I'll grab the phone off this tripod here. My camera crew looks like they need a break. It looks like their legs are getting a little weak or something. So we'll go ahead, we'll do a walk around to this thing. Just kind of see what we're working with. Once we get through the walk around, I'll go ahead, I'll end the video. And the next videos we come in with will be getting started on this thing and getting it put back together. See if we can make this whole thing breathe some fire again. As you can see, she's dusty. And she's dirty. She's been sitting. There's no cylinder heads on it. That's originally the reason it was parked, was a cylinder head failure. The mileage on it says 35,900 miles. How accurate that is, I don't know, but it hasn't touched the road since 03. I was actually there the last time this bike ran. So it'd really be something to see this thing go again. I hope my buddy Chris just happens to come across this video. That in itself would be amazing also. You can see there are new pistons in there. The cylinder walls were oiled and it's been covered. Last time this thing was plated was 2005. We're going to see if we can give this old girl some love and get it up and running. Once it's up and running, then we'll put the shine to it, see if we can clean it up real nice. I'm going to show you. Now, this is the cylinder head that failed. You can see the exhaust guide is completely gone. The exhaust guide came out and was just slapping around in there, so went ahead, bought a used cylinder head for it, and I had a machine guy do some machine work to it. I'm actually going to show his card here. I had the machine guy do some machine work to it. Ed over at E&V Engineering in Howard City, amazing guy, does awesome work at a very, very good price. I highly recommend him to anyone that is in the Michigan area that needs work on old Triumphs, BSAs. He does a lot of the British stuff. He does the older Harleys. The guy does amazing work. So we did the walk around of this thing. You can kind of see what we're looking at. So, well, let's hope this thing goes smooth and we can get this old girl up and running again. Like I said, this thing's been sitting 23 years since it's been started. It's going to run this week. So, that's it. Stay tuned. Plenty more to come. Hey, we'll catch you guys on the next one.